Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we have an exciting video for you. We'll be diving deep into the world of Hoover WindTunnel vacuum cleaners and learning how to keep them in top-notch condition. So, if you're ready to master the art of vacuum cleaner maintenance, let's get started. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Before we begin, make sure your Hoover WindTunnel vacuum cleaner is unplugged and turned off for safety purposes. Now, let's begin with the first step of our ultimate maintenance guide. Removing clogs. Clogs can significantly reduce the suction power of your vacuum cleaner. To get rid of any clogs, start by checking the brush roll and hose for any obstructions. If you find any, use a long flexible brush or straightened wire hanger to gently remove the blockage. Once you cleared the clog, your vacuum's performance will be back to its full potential. Cleaning the brush roll. The brush roll of your Hoover WindTunnel vacuum cleaner can accumulate hair, fibers, and debris over time. To clean it, simply remove the brush roll by following the manufacturer's instructions. Use a pair of scissors or a seam ripper to carefully cut away any tangled hair fibers. Once the brush roll is free from obstructions, give it a good rinse with warm, soapy water. Make sure it's completely dry before reinstalling it into your vacuum. Replacing filters. Filters play a crucial role in maintaining the air quality and performance of your Hoover WindTunnel vacuum cleaner. Over time, filters can become clogged and affect suction power. Refer to your user manual to locate the filters in your specific model. Remove the filters and tap them gently to dislodge any trapped dust or dirt. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.